Loadouts are fast. We spend more time wrapping cable than they do landing PA. My name is James McDermott. Everybody knows me as Pugsley. I am the front of house engineer for Dirks Bentley. I'm also the systems engineer on this tour using the PK Trinity system. From a staffing standpoint, this system is so easy to put together. One person and 2 stagehands can do an entire side of the PA without any issues. Other tours that I've seen with other systems, they have anywhere between 2 to 5 more people compared to what we do for the same amount of gear. Absolutely faster. And not to mention, is it faster on the loading, but it's also much faster when there are issues and you run into complications. When the artist is off the stage and we're done playing music, I'm standing here flattening out the PA. When the PA is flat and ready to be landed, this is all done, buttoned up out here, and then we're getting out, we're loading trucks. It's very fast. A few years ago, when things were a little bit more complicated on the video side of things, other departments had to change the way that they did loadout because our stuff was coming out so fast.